guys, today I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to make an intro in iMovie for free. So open up iMovie and press a new project and you choose trailer. Then choose a new one and then create. Now go to studio and choose your channel name. So I've already done that. Now Galaxy is my favorite, but you can choose whatever you like. Color bars, you can choose Galaxy, you could choose Dandelion, or you could choose Street Lamp, or you could choose Trees. So I'm going to choose my favorite Galaxy. That's it, done. Nothing else needed to do. Now you want to save the video and press HD.
Quick break. So only 9% of you have subscribed to my channel. It will really mean to the world if you subscribe to me if you enjoy my content.
And we wait. Now it's saved. You can go to your photo library, right there, photos, and then load up and press your thing. Now you want to edit that. It's there. Okay, just a bit left. And you get it like that. Just press done. Save the new clip. Voila. Save the video. There. That is your intro. And you can use that when you're editing your video or add it to your video and how you did it. Okay? There. The end.